Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. Let me ask a question. Have you applied for multiple jobs but did not get any job, or got a job but with a very low package? If yes, then do you know why? The answer is you need to learn those skills which companies are looking for. So the question is, which skill should you learn, or which is the most demanding skill? The answer is data science. Data science is one of the most demanding skills. Data science has a good future with multiple job opportunities that are increasing with time, and a handsome salary which is much more than the average salary of other professionals. And according to the industry expert, 11.5 million data science jobs will be created globally by 2026. Now let's discuss a case study about unleashing the power of data science in sports. For that, first let me tell you one thing. Organizations are finding patterns and insights that were previously unthinkable due to the incorporation of data science into sports business, right? So data science techniques are now being used to access large amounts of data to develop effective game plans and strategies. Hence, the need for qualified data science professionals in the sports sector is exponentially increasing. Therefore, now is the right time to upskill your data science, right? For example, for this, data science can be used for performance analysis and player development. So let's try to understand this figure so that you can understand the usage or application of this data science, or importance of data science, right, in sports. So here, for body, it can measure real-time position, motion tracking, skin temperature, muscle stress or fatigue. For head, it can measure head impact, eye movement, rotational acceleration. For arms, arm speed, elbow stretch, insight rate, respiratory rate, blood oxygen or glucose levels, core body temperature, sleep quality or quantity, hormones level. For feet, it can measure contact time, ball touches. For legs, distance covered, acceleration, deceleration, stride length, top speed, jump height, right? And you all know Serena Williams, who is a professional tennis player. She says that data science has revolutionized how we approach training and preparation. It provides us the valuable insights that help us optimize performance and reach our full potential, right? And after that, Michael Phelps, you all know, Olympic swimmer, right? He says that data science has transformed the way we approach competition. It provides us the objective information that guides our decision making process and helps us stay ahead of the game, right? After that, you all know Cristiano Ronaldo, right, who is a professional soccer player. He says that data science has changed the game. It helps us understand pattern, make tactical adjustments and enhance our overall performance on the field, right? After that, now let's try to see some key applications that show max impact of data science in sports, right? So first one is performance analysis, injury prevention and rehabilitation, sports analysis, then fan engagement and experience, referee assistance, sports broadcasting and content generation. After that, talent identification and recruitment. So in simple word, data science has a good future. Therefore, now is the right time to upskill your data science skill, right? Upskill in data science. So the question is, from where you can learn data science, right, with placement assistance? So answer is OdinSchool. You can join OdinSchool Data Science Bootcamp, because OdinSchool Data Science Bootcamp is the only program where you will not only learn data science but also you will get placement assistance, right? After that, you can see some success stories. There are too many candidates who got placed in top companies, right, after joining OdinSchool Data Science Bootcamp. And important thing to note is that all the candidates got high packages, because OdinSchool negotiates on behalf of students for their salary packages. So you don't have to worry about the packages, right? Just learn this skill. So after that, now let's discuss about the fee structure. So for this, fee for this bootcamp, 99,000 rupees plus GST, right? But don't worry, there is a scholarship up to 30,000, right? And one more thing, there is an early bird offer that is 8,000 rupees off, but this is limited to the first 100 candidates. So hurry up. And so total, if we count this, so 99,000 rupees plus GST, but there will be a scholarship up to 30,000 rupees and 8,000 rupees early bird offer. So if we calculate all this, so you need to pay only 61,000 rupees plus GST, right? And one more thing, if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within first 10 days, then don't worry, your fee will be fully refunded. And if you think you can't pay all this amount in one go, don't worry, there is no cost EMI option is available, which starts at 5,500 rupees, 5,506 rupees per month, right? And upcoming cohort is starting from 29th July 2023, and next to next coming cohort, like it means next cohort is starting from 26th August, next one is 29, and next to next is 26, right? So what are you waiting for? Registration link is already given in the description box and in the pinned comment, so please check it out. After that, now let's see one more thing, the syllabus for this. So in the core modules you will learn in the topics you will learn setup to data science, statistics, machine learning, business intelligence, SQL, Python, EDA, storytelling, right? And these are the tools and technologies you will learn, and these are the projects you will complete during this course, during this program, right? And in elective and others you will learn, in electives you will learn Power BI, PySpark, right? And in others you will learn NLP, ETL, Azure Advanced Excel, Azure Data Factory, Power BI Advanced, and these are the tools and technologies you will learn during this bootcamp, right? After that, what you will get in data science bootcamp? So you will get live instructor led bootcamp, job readiness in 6 months, project based learnings, unlimited job opportunities, and you can see the rating 4.6 rating, right? So what you have to do, simply you need to fill this form, right? Here you need to enter your first name, last name, email ID, phone number, then here your year of graduation, right? After that your work experience. If you are a fresher, select none, right? And if you are you have some experience, then select accordingly, right? After that, simply click on the request a call back, right? Then you will get a call, and they will explain the next steps. So what are you waiting for? Registration link is already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment. So here you can see there are more than 500 companies which are the hiring partner of this OdinSchool, so you don't have to worry about the placement. So please check it out, right? So please note, you need to fill the form using the registration link which is already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment, right? Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel, I provide link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.